Today let us look at Virgo Lagna, 4th house Sagittarius. Sagittarius is a strong, straightforward house, and it is the 9th house of the Kala Purusha, which means to say it is the Bhagya house of the Kala Purusha, or this house has been blessed from the Kala Purusha. The activities of the 4th house therefore will be blessed, as the Trikona house, Trikona sign is getting related to 4th house, which is a Kendra sign. Bhava will flourish even if there are malefic planets posted in the Sagittarius, which is the 4th house for the Virgo Lagna. Benefic planets will give material wealth and happiness without efforts. Malefic planets in Sagittarius 4th will make the native work for his achievements, and he will work for the same. Venus in the 4th will give more and lots of material wealth. Rahu in the 4th will take you away from motherland, but success of Rahu being away from the 4th house, mother and motherland, will depend upon the placements of Jupiter. Ketu in the 4th Sagittarius will definitely give you a philosophical and a religious route. Now let us look at this chart. 4th house has Mars in Ketu Rahu axis. Saturn aspects the 4th house. The 4th lord Jupiter is reversed in the 3rd house, along with Lagna lord Sun and Venus, and no aspect from any other planet. In the Navamsha, the 4th lord is in the 11th Bhava from the Virgo Rashi. Right? Now let us look at the results. The native may be deprived of happiness and be away from family. Mars in the 4th generally is considered to be a disturbance in the 4th house parameters, as a malefic planet is sitting in the house of happiness or house of home. Disturbance in the family associated with Ketu, the native might have been away from the family. The lord of the 4th house, Jupiter, reversed in the 3rd, shows associated with Lagnadipati Mercury, shows that the native would have taken this decision voluntarily to be away from his family. Now it entirely depends on the Dasha Bhukti, whether he went away from his family during childhood, or did he go away from family after he attained his 18th birthday, which is maturity. Right? Now the conjunction of Jupiter with Sun and second lord and Venus confirms that the native will be away from motherland on his own will or want. 4th lord exalted in the Amsha shows that the native enjoyed all the luxuries during the childhood, and the family provided them the same. Now let us look at the Karatattvas of the 4th house. Mother, 4th house, 4th lord Moon. 4th house has a malefic planet Mars in Ketu, showing a strong religious mother. Ketu is in the 4th, therefore the mother is religious. 4th lord Jupiter in the 3rd house shows a stretched relationship with mother and native, as there is no benefic aspect on the 4th but a malefic aspect on the 4th. The placement of the 4th lord in the 11th house along with Mercury, which is the Lagna lord, shows that the native has attachment with the mother. The 4th lord in the 11th Amsha and exalted shows that the mother would have done her best to give the best to the native. Now properties: 4th house, 4th lord Mars. The golden rule is When Mars is placed in the 4th house, aspecting the 4th house or conjoined with the 4th lord, it is a promise that the native will have properties depending upon the Dasha Bhuktis, of course. Here, the Mars is sitting in the 4th house. Even though it is a malefic planet, Mars will definitely give the native properties and it is Vargotama in the Amsha, which indicates that the native will have many properties. But as Mars is again posted in the 4th associated with Ketu, the native may not enjoy the same because Ketu is a separator. Now, vehicles, 4th house, 4th lord and Venus, we observe that all the planets are in the same placements, and therefore the native will have more than one vehicle but may not enjoy using them or may not have opportunities to use the vehicles. I may have vehicles in my native land and I might be staying in another place. Therefore, I will not be able to use my vehicles and probably I will be using public transport in the place where I am staying. Could be a thought process in such situations. Now let us look at education. Very good chart for an education, because here we see malefic planets influencing the 4th house, Mars, Saturn. Saturn is aspecting Mars and 4th along with Ketu. So malefic planets influencing the 4th house. Therefore the native will take hardcore studies. You will also observe that the 4th lord is associated with Mercury, Sun and Jupiter. Jupiter is a 4th lord and Jupiter is a natural knowledge karaka who happens to be the 4th lord, associated with Mercury, the knowledge of intelligence, Sun, the knowledge of light or the planet of light. Therefore, this native will have a hardcore subject, or he will take hardcore subjects as the main subject before he enters the college. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and follow me at G3 Astro. Have a good day. Signing off, Gayatri.